Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Christmas Light Checker is probably one of the most useful tools for ensuring your holiday lights are in perfect working order, saving you time, frustration, and the potential for electrical hazards, allowing you to quickly identify and fix broken bulbs or faulty wiring before you even begin decorating, ultimately ensuring a dazzling and safe holiday light display that will impress your neighbors and bring joy to your family, making your Christmas decorating experience more efficient and enjoyable. Number 5. LightKeeper Pro Repair Tool. Tired of broken Christmas lights? It quickly fixes most incandescent light sets. Simply squeeze the trigger and it's done. This tool repairs the most common problem, shunt issues, or internal bulb failures. Get your lights shining again in seconds. Perfect for pre-lit trees, icicle lights, wreaths, garlands, it's versatile and ready for all your holiday decor. It comes with everything you need, a bulb tester, fuse tester, bulb puller, spare bulbs and fuses, and even batteries. It's ready to use right out of the box. It's built to last. The manufacturer provides a lifetime warranty, ensuring quality and peace of mind. See website for details. Remember, it doesn't work on lights with blackened bulbs or LEDs, rope lights, or sets with control boxes and battery packs. What we like. It quickly repairs the most common issue in incandescent Christmas lights. If you have a lot of incandescent lights to decorate your home, and you are tired of dealing with those annoying broken bulbs, this tool will save you time and frustration. It's a must-have for anyone who loves classic incandescent Christmas lights. What people say. Quickly fixed several non-working light sets, restoring them to full functionality. This is a great product that does exactly what you want it to do. It gets the light string working so you can quickly find and replace the bad bulbs. One click of the trigger and the lights came back on. Number 4. Sperry STK001 Kit. It quickly identifies the presence of AC voltage before you start working on any electrical installation or troubleshooting. This ensures your safety and helps prevent accidents. It's built to last with a high-impact resistant ABS housing and soft rubber grips. Its compact and ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use. The bright, color-coded neon lights provide clear visual indications, making it easy to understand the results at a glance. It boasts non-contact sensitivity, detecting AC voltage from 50 to 1000 V. Plus, it has a patented battery self-test feature for reliable performance. It provides both visual and audible alerts with a 360 degrees indicator and a beeping sound for non-contact voltage detection. You'll never miss a signal. It meets stringent safety standards with Cat 3 ratings and can withstand a 10-foot drop and 250 pounds crush. You can trust it to perform under pressure. What we like. This kit is perfect for safely testing voltage and GFCI outlets before working on electrical installations. If you are an electrician or DIY enthusiast who values safety and efficiency, this kit will give you peace of mind. Its durable design and easy-to-read indicators make it a reliable tool for any electrical task. What people say. Worked as advertised, bought this product and was pleasantly surprised at how easy it was to use on my DIY projects. Used only a few times, but it's quick and accurate. The plug-in tester is great to verify correctly wired outlets. We are updating our home. If you are doing any DIY electrical work, we changed out our light switches to rockers and newer wall outlets receptacles. These two items are necessities. Number 3. Klein Tools NCVT 3P Tester. This versatile tool makes detecting voltage a breeze. It's perfect for various applications, from security systems to irrigation. It accurately detects low voltage in a wide range of systems. See and hear the results simultaneously for reliable identification. This tester provides both visual and audible alerts. You'll get instant feedback, ensuring accurate voltage detection. It features a bright flashlight to illuminate your work area. This handy light works independently of the voltage detection function. A green light confirms the absence of voltage. It provides clear confirmation when no voltage is present. It's lightweight and easy to carry. The pocket clip ensures it's always within reach. It has an auto power-off feature to save battery life. This ensures long-lasting performance. With a Cat 4 1000V rating, it offers reliable protection during electrical testing. It expands your operational capabilities. What we like. It offers non-contact detection across various low-voltage systems. If you work with security, entertainment, or communication systems, this versatile tester will be your reliable companion. The bright flashlight and clear indicators ensure accurate voltage identification in any situation. What people say. Built-in flashlight is great. Compact size. Dual range detection. One of the standout features is its ability to detect voltage in two ranges, 12-100 VAC and 100-1000 VAC. Ease of use. The NCVT3P is incredibly user-friendly. With its pen-like design, it's easy to hold and maneuver, even in tight spaces. The tester is activated by simply pressing the button, and it automatically powers off after 30 seconds of inactivity, saving battery life. Number 2. Ulta-Lit LED Repair Tool. This innovative tool makes fixing your LED Christmas lights a breeze. It's simple to use and comes with everything you need for quick repairs. Easily identify faulty bulbs or fuses with the integrated tester. This saves you time and frustration. The built-in bulb puller makes removing and replacing bulbs a snap. No more struggling with damaged bulbs. It comes with 2 universal replacement pods and 2 place markers to help with socket issues and testing. Everything you need is right here. It's designed for standard series-style LED Christmas lights. Please note it does not work with incandescent, rope lights or sets with control boxes. Ulta-Lit stands behind its products. It comes with a lifetime warranty, excluding batteries and bulbs. Visit ultalit.com for more details. What we like. This tool is designed for fixing LED Christmas lights. If you are looking for a simple and effective way to repair your LED light sets, this tool is a great choice. Its built-in testers and replacement parts make the repair process quick and easy. What people say. It's usually just one pesky light where the little wire broke off. Easy to use, effective, great features incorporated such as the bulb tester and bulb remover. The first repair went as the video showed with a simple binary test sequence zeroing in on the bad bulb. Number 1. Mr. Pen Voltage Tester. Meet Mr. Pen, your new go-to tool for safely detecting AC voltage. It's a non-contact tester, so you can check wires and outlets without touching them. This handy device uses magnetic field detection to identify live wires. No physical contact is needed, keeping you safe. Thanks to its insulated design, it's safe to use. It helps you avoid dangerous electrical shocks. It's lightweight and compact, easily fitting in your pocket. The pocket clip makes it easy to carry and access. Perfect for home repairs, circuit inspections, or DIY projects. It's a must-have for home users and professionals alike. Electricians and electrical engineers will find it invaluable for quick and safe voltage checks. It's a reliable tool for any electrical work. What we like. It's a safe and easy-to-use non-contact voltage tester. If you need a simple and reliable way to check for AC voltage without direct contact, this tester is perfect for you. Its compact design makes it ideal for home use and small repairs. What people say. Works great. I tested it all over my house before actually using it in a real situation. It was always accurate. This is a very good tester. I purchased 2 different ones from a big box store and both did not function and were returned. This one is simple and correctly sounds when testing line voltage. Very sensitive and loud enough to get your attention quickly. Great safety device. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.